Hello. Today we are going to draw the electronic configuration of aluminium, carbon, and chlorine. In my previous video, I drew the electronic configuration of some elements like calcium, nitrogen, and magnesium. So today we are going to be drawing that of aluminium, carbon, and chlorine. If you have not watched that video, go back and watch that video because I explained valency and also group there. Even though still going to do periodic table later on. So let's go. Let's have fun. All right. So the first one is aluminium. Aluminium. The symbol for aluminium is capital letter A and small letter L. And in the periodic table, the atomic number is what? 13. Also, if you have not watched my video on the first 20 elements, please kindly go and watch that video. It's very important so that you'll be able to memorize the first 20 elements even without looking at it. Okay? And that video is very important because when we go to the periodic table, it will really help you. So the one I've been mentioning these elements, mentioning their properties, it will be easier for you to follow up. Okay? So let's continue. As usual, or should I say as it is, the first shell takes a maximum of 2 electrons. So it's 1, 2, and this is how you draw it. And the second shell takes a maximum of 8 electrons. So we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you can count everything here, we have 2 inside and 8 outside. Everything is what? 10. And I'm going to 13. So you should know that 13 minus 10 is 3. That means the remaining 3 electrons were to draw. So we draw again. Draw another shell. Now, even though the maximum amount of electrons it accommodates is 8, because after the 2, the remaining ones are 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay? But even though the maximum amount of electrons it can accommodate is 8, doesn't mean you should draw 8. For my calculation here, is remaining 3 we need to draw for you to get up to 13. That is 2 plus 8, 10, plus 3, 13. So we draw 1, 2, 3. Complete. So this is the electronic configuration of aluminium. So let's head to the B. The atomic number of carbon is 12. Is 6. And the symbol of carbon is C, capital letter C. So let's draw the electronic configuration. The first shell will take 2 and has the dyne center, which is the nucleus. 2 electrons. Now, we are going to 6 electrons. So you should know that 6 minus 2 is 4. So that means the remaining 4 are going to draw outside. So this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So this is the electronic configuration of carbon. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This atomic number is the number of proton, right? And the number of proton in an atom is also equal to the number of electron. So everything you're seeing here revolving around here is electron. And it has what? It is 6 here. You can see it has atomic 6. The carbon has 6 as the atomic number. So the first shell takes 2. 1, 2. Second shell will take 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third shell will take. Now, we have 17. We have drawn 10 already. That is 2 plus 8, 10. So, And the maximum you can accommodate is 8. But then we have 10 already. And I'm going to 17. You should know that what is left is what? 7. That is 7. 17 minus 10 is 7. So what is left for us to draw is 7. And 7 can still, this shell can still accommodate 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining 1. Alright? So this is the electronic configuration of chlorine. So I believe this class, you have been blessed by this class. I believe all the issues surrounding electronic configuration of elements have been resolved. If this class has actually blessed you, kindly make me smile by subscribing and also sharing my video widely. Bye!